Mm. Excuse me, sorry. Sorry for that interruption. My neighbor fixed my car, which was nice of him to do. I didn't know if you heard me. I was saying sorry for the interruption. My neighbor was knocking on the door because he fixed my car, or partially because the hood, for some reason, won't stay shut. That was so nice of him. Back to the Subway. Got food or something stuck in there. Oh. The soda making me burp. That's good. It tastes good. What was that? Oh, that was weird. I saw something weird. I'm home alone by myself, so. Oh, it's the shadow of the cat. So I'm like, sometimes these cats scare me too. It's bugging me because I said I was home alone. Technically, yes, as in for humans, my son and my husband's not here. We're the only three that live here, but I do have my babies, my cats, and the barking puppies I'm still trying to find homes for. I don't post them on Facebook because I'm just afraid of stupid people hurting the puppies. So, actually today I was supposed to go over to the pet store and see if I can try to at least take 2 of them with me, find them homes, and then the last 2 I have to do that. But I keep burping. Excuse me, sorry. It's almost 1 o'clock and I've got an interview later, so that's why I keep looking at the time. I'm hoping that works out and I can get the job at Wingstop. Yay, I'll be doing some Wingstop mukbangs. Maybe, I don't know. It depends. Because I'm trying to eat a little healthier. So, almost done eating here, and I appreciate you guys watching. I try to make it as quiet as possible. Then got a doorbell disturbance. I keep burping, and I'm also getting full, but I can also talk a lot while I eat. So let's get back to eating. I'm almost done with it. I'll be fine. I have another half, but that might be for another video, or my husband might eat it, or I'll just eat it for lunch tomorrow. No matter what, it's going to be my lunch tomorrow if he doesn't eat it. But I don't know if I'll do another video since I already did this one. Unless if I do, which that will probably be uploaded maybe tomorrow or the following day. And if I do that one, I'll try my best to keep it all quiet. I tried doing that today, but life happens. And also, I feel like I don't got much lighting, and I tried moving the lamp that way, so the brightness of the light is not in the way. I noticed some people on YouTube, they've got like these big old strobe lights, and they put them behind the camera, so that way you don't have that light flashing. So I'll probably see how much those are on Amazon once I get a job and get some income coming, then I could be able to do that. I feel like if I do get income with YouTube, it's just my little side hustle that would help with gas and car problems. That was nice of my neighbor to come and steal my trunk. He sold it to me, so I bought the car from him a few days ago, and they got into an accident and rear-ended him, and so when it smashed the side of the trunk, so now the trunk just pops open and I can't get it to stay shut. And so he came by and he tried doing the nails again and screwing it down to, hopefully that works this time. If not, I have to find another solution. Anyways, I'm gonna continue, which is about a few more minutes left, and then I will end the video. But I appreciate you guys enjoying my videos, watching them, and please subscribe. And the more subscribers I get, the more support I can get. And well, you know what, let me explain about that. I might have explained it already in some other videos, but I wanted to, or I still do, is do healthy eating mukbangs to help me lose weight. And then if I ever get the courage to it, which is going to be also hard because I would need somebody to record me, or if I had like, I don't know, a GoPro or something that is recording me doing exercise and losing the weight, where I could upload a video of me, like 5 minutes of showing that I'm, you know, it's motivating me to do these videos to help me lose weight. So I feel if I get income from YouTube to help me lose weight, the better and healthier that I will be, because I don't want to get as big as I am already. My weight is still fluctuating. It's not going up or down. In the past 5 years, it did go up 20 pounds, and now it's back to being like that again, fluctuating. It's because I motivate myself and I try to lose weight. And when I do that, my weight just fluctuates. But then I give up, start eating bad and not exercising, my weight increases. So I can't seem to lose the weight or to have it decrease, except doing what I'm doing, and my weight is fluctuating. So I am eating healthy in some days, but not all the days I'm eating healthy. And I walk a lot. That's about the only exercise I get is walking. And there's times that I can walk so much in a day, and it's not just here in hometown, my hometown. It's when we're going out, when we're going to Lake Tahoe or Old Town Sacramento, San Francisco as well, Las Vegas. I mean, which is nice that from my hometown, the airport is only about 3 miles from me, and so we just get on the airport or take the plane to Las Vegas, and we're there within like an hour, so it's not bad. I like leaving from my hometown anyways. I don't have to travel to Sacramento or to San Francisco or wherever. I could just leave straight from here. But yeah, that's where I get a lot of walking in. Plus I have a little knot or something. I'm tired of holding that. A little knot on the bottom of my foot, and I eventually need surgery for that. And so when I do long periods of walk, it kills me. It kills my foot. So my husband made a little, there's only one pair of shoes though, and they're my sandals. So he cut out a little hole so that my little knot can rest in it, so I'm not literally walking on it. And once he did that, we were in San Francisco. Oh my gosh, the pain went away and it felt so good. But since I am, I was trying to do a mukbang video right now, but since I'm trying to share with you what I want to do with YouTube, I've been thinking about this for so long, and I know I do a lot of cooking on my meals. I still need a name for my YouTube channel. It's just only under my first and last name. I don't know what to name it. There is another channel of me, which is called, I think it's under Lorenia Speaks, and that's spelled Lyrinia. I mean, I don't care if you subscribe to that one or not. I can't get back into that. I don't know how. I tried figuring that out, but I don't know how to get back into that channel, because the last phone that I had where I was doing YouTube channels through that username or YouTube name, my phone got stolen. And once my phone got stolen, I couldn't get back into it, and I didn't know how. And it wasn't growing or as in subscribers, but I was making a lot of videos. I kind of figured out how to do Snapchat and uploaded those, and some of them are so funny. I've got my little iPad right here, so I'm still trying to figure out how to use that. That was, well, I kind of actually still have to pay for it. It was for school, but I ended up, I couldn't do the schooling because I needed a job. And it was too difficult, too hard, and I just had to give up on schooling. And for right now, at least just for nursing, but I'm planning on going back, at least to try to get my phlebotomy license, or a phlebotomist, which is, my mom calls them vampires. They draw blood. Blood doesn't bother me. It's just everything else in the nursing field that's I can't deal with certain things. But anyways, so this is what I like to do with YouTube is, you know, upload videos of me trying to lose weight. I want the motivation from you guys. I want support telling me, rock on, Julie, you could do it, you know. And for my YouTube name, I don't want to put it out there, but it has to do with something with Lorena or ASMRs or some are ASMRs, mukbangs, some are not, because I do a lot of my videos of cooking, which I know some of my videos I have done are unhealthy cooking, but I still wouldn't mind, because I still have to cook for my family, but I still wouldn't mind cooking that. But the thing is that I need to have a shake or something, a protein shake at nighttime, so I can go back into that routine again, where right now this soda, what time is it? Oh, it's only 1 o'clock. Still, no caffeine after 2 p.m. I have trouble sleeping at night. So, if I have caffeine and it's only a little bit, like that was 1 can of soda, that's 16 ounces. So, no, it's 12 ounces. So, another 8 ounces. My, you know, restrictions, if it's coffee, tea, whatever, where I have 20 ounces of caffeine before 2 p.m. That way I'm still aware, I can motivate myself to do things during the day. When nighttime comes around 9 p.m., you know, I know I'll be tired and I'll be able to fall asleep. And also need to get back into, I mean, I was doing some videos of it, but where I'm drinking my hot teas, my chamomile tea, having my bananas at nighttime. I know I can make like a banana yogurt, sort of, and maybe add, well, I would say add chocolate chips, but I mean, chocolate chips is a little caffeine, but not much. But yeah, so I'm sorry, I can continue talking and not doing a video as what I wanted, but I got interruptions, and I was like, well, I guess I'll just tell you my plans. Or no, I already said them before in some of my YouTube videos, but this is not going to be the last one. So I will explain more. You know what? I think what I'll do is, not today, but on another day, I'll do a video for at least 5 minutes. That way I can, you know, make it short and explain what type of YouTube videos my plans are. And like I said, it is to lose weight. So I will do a video of that, of, you know, maybe I've already explained a little bit, but I feel like I haven't. I don't know, but I have to rewatch this later. I'm still gonna upload it anyway. So the editing as well on my videos is a little bit challenging and hard sometimes, but I can do it on my phone. Now I've got my tablet here, or my iPad, and I know I can do a lot more. I've downloaded some music, I've downloaded some other apps that could help with my YouTube channel. That's what I've heard. And I am not good with technology. Technology sometimes scares me, and I don't know, it's like a woman trying to work on a car, and it scares her, but she wants to figure it out. And but she, you know, just something about the car, just something, you know, if you have those type of phobias like that, and you know you can do it, you know you can work with it, but just something of it just scares you, you know. Like, for instance, here's another one that scares me, and probably with a lot of people too: phone calls. As you can see, I'm already talking a lot. With my mom, my aunts, even my brother, you know, and my brother's the same way. He doesn't like to be on the phone for very long. And there's times that I have to make a call to my mom or somebody, which I had to call her last week to let her know one of my aunts passed away. So, which is her sister-in-law from my dad's brother's, basically my dad's brother, which is my uncle. It was his wife or girlfriend. I don't know if they were married or not, but So basically, my uncle's wife. Well, she was a great lady. You probably know who she is too. She was a singer, but she got sick. Her name was Robin Smith. Sadly, yeah, she passed away. I don't even know if we're gonna do a funeral or not. That was about 2 weeks ago, I believe. It was actually, when did she pass away? August 3rd, I think, or August 2nd. No, wait. It was July 31st. It was, I think July 31st was on a Monday, so that's when we got the call. But, yeah, I was dreading that call. So if you know what I mean by, your phobias, I didn't want to be on the phone with my mom for so long, and I knew what was going to happen. I called her last week. We're both going to end up crying, which we almost did. But I tried holding it together. And still am. I mean, I knew her. I knew of her. Only met her a few times, and which they lived in Vegas. And the last time I actually saw her was in January in Vegas, and I'm so glad that I got to share dinner with them. We went to this, which we thought was a buffet. Turned out it wasn't. I forgot what the place was called, because I'm not even going to mention it on here because I don't even remember. And I don't even care because YouTube kind of lied. They said it was a buffet. And technically, yes and no. For like super cheap. But it's one of those type of buffets. You got to eat the whole menu. And you only pay so much. But if you order more, you I think you could take it home and it's part of your buffet, but you have to eat everything that's on the menu first. And I'm like, oh my gosh, no, go ahead, try that challenge. Anyways, as I noticed, I'm like 21 minutes into the video, which is probably a little bit more before the doorbell rang. So I'm gonna finish up here, and I will see you guys in the next video. So give me about another 5 more minutes, and I'm going to try to keep it completely quiet. cold. There was something I was gonna say. I know I did it again, talking, but I can't. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Excuse me, but I cannot remember what it was I was gonna say. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. Got it. I'm gonna end here, and what I was gonna say was, since I have the other half of Subway sandwich in my fridge, that will, I'm gonna see if I can do this again. So with no talking, this time I'll have tea, which I have to go make some more today because my husband drank it all. It seems like, you know, I made over a gallon yesterday. It's gone, all of it. I mean, I get a little bit, but he drinks more than, I call him my teaholic. I mean, it's cheaper to make tea here at home instead of buying the Milos from Walmart. The Milos is like around a little over $3 for a gallon. And I buy a 10-pound bag of sugar for a little over $6 at the cheapest store that I can find. And I have a container in my cupboard, and it pretty much fits a whole 10-pound, did I say 10 gallons? 10-pound bag of sugar. And I use, I don't know if those are half cups or what, it's this little scooper, and I use 3 of those to put in the water, which makes 2 quarts, I believe. It makes basically a half a gallon of tea, and I did 3 of those pots yesterday. 3, so that's a gallon and a half. But the other half, because of my son, he said it was too sweet, and I'm like, okay, well, I'm just making it for your dad's liking, you know. But so I made him his own, which I put him in this small little container for him, and that worked out perfect for him. But between me and my husband, mostly him, my husband, he drinks so much tea, and it's cheaper because you get 100 tea bags from Walmart, and I think I paid $2 something. And then plus the sugar, I would say for a gallon of tea, or even half a gallon, probably is like less than 5 cents to make, you know. So it's worth it. It's worth it just to make it. I mean, besides paying my electric bill to heat up on the stove, I need to get another tea jar because mine broke. And so my mom would also sometimes make her tea outside, which was sun tea. Sometimes she did it on the pot, but I like my grandma's recipe. I did put a recipe or a video of my sweet tea, the way my husband likes it. It don't bother me if it's that sweet or not. I mean, it should, because that's a lot of carbs, especially the sugar. Tea has no carbs in it, but anyways, look for that another video of the Subway. I will put in that one. Even though this one I'm going to say no talking till around the end of, which was about 16 minutes of the video, I started talking. So, other than that, and then about 21 minutes the rest of the eating, just because of the interruptions. And so I wasn't expecting to talk, but that's what happens. I ended up apologizing for my interruptions, and then here I am just chatting away. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I really appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel, so it will help me grow. The more subscribers I get, the more motivation I can get, the more support I can get from you to help me lose weight. I mean, look, I'm looking at myself right here in the camera right now, and I'm like, look at that, you know. That's just a lot of flabby, but sometimes I am thankful that I am not as big as some people I have seen, you know, just walking around like one of my aunts, which she's still alive, but she's a great woman. I love her. But she's actually losing weight too. And my other aunt who has Alzheimer's, she's lost a lot. My cousin, which is her daughter, has helped her lose so much weight. Um, since she moved out of here. Well, not technically living with me, but she moved out of the town that we live in. I don't want to post up where I live, but she moved out of this town, basically. She moved out of California. Let's just go with that. She moved out of California and moved to another state. I don't know if she'd want me to post that there or not, but anyways, she moved to another state to go help my aunt, her mom, and take care of her. And the pictures that she posts, some videos that she posts on Facebook of her, it's like, oh my gosh, she's lost a lot of weight. From the last time I saw her was in 2018. I went up there to the other state to go visit, and just recently, sometime this year, I was like, whoa, somebody's looking better. So my cousin has helped her and motivated her to help her lose weight, and it's working. And then as for me though, I mean, I'm still flabby here. You know, I want to get rid of all these flabs. You know, if I keep doing this, help me, you know, help me do some exercises. Yeah, I ain't gonna do all that. I know I should, but that's the other thing. I'm super lazy. But if I do lose the weight, this is my only choice, I feel like, with the YouTube, because I don't have a lot of support or motivation. My husband, you know, if I ask him to go walk with me, he won't. That's the other thing. I don't like to do things by myself. I've always been like that. That's why I got a dog, so that I can go hiking and stuff with my dog. But I can't train her. I can't get her to listen to me. And she keeps puking in my car. And so then I take her to go get her shots. That's when we found out she was pregnant. You know, I found her as a stray. And I couldn't get her shots because she was pregnant. And I was like, okay, well, that's probably why she's puking in my car. Well, her puppies, who are now about 4 months old, actually today they are, I think, 17 weeks old. They were born April 17th, which was on Monday. So they started puking in my car as well. And there was this like, I don't know, a vaccine fair for dogs and cats to get them vaccinated for their whatever parvo and stuff. And they got chipped. So they got those shots when they had to be 8 weeks. They had been no, actually they were almost 9 weeks. Almost. It was a Saturday that we took them in, and then that following Monday they were going to be 9 weeks old. And so they all got their shots, but not Lily, the mom dog, because I got 7 puppies and they only allowed 3 puppies per household or per person of household. But since me and my husband live together, they allowed me to, and I was able to use my dad's address to get them their vaccines, except for one. I was just going to get her chipped because she already got her shots that a few days before, and she was going to my daughter, so I wanted to make sure she got her shots first because she was moving all the way out to another state. And oh my gosh, that girl's got big. But anyways, so that's my support. My motivation is my dogs, and I am keeping 2 puppies, and I'm trying to train those 2 puppies. And so far, they haven't really pooped or peed in my house unless they're using the puppy pee pad. But I've been trying to catch them if they're sniffing. And once they start sniffing, that's what I was told, that it's time to take them outside and let them know that they go outside. I had one dog when I was living with my parents, that she would whine. I mean, she would whine to want to go to the back door. She would let us know that she's got to go potty. And I'm trying to get my puppies to do that. So I'm going to end this video because I can just keep talking and talking and talking. But I'm mentioning my puppies because I still need to find homes for the 3. But I have, what do you call it? Trust issues. I can't trust people because people use them as bait dogs or, you know, killing machines or abusing them, whatever. I don't like that. I don't like people to abuse dogs. And so that's why I'm having a hard time finding homes for my puppies. I don't want to post them on Facebook. People are telling me, like, well, to make sure you get, like, a good owner, you sell them. I'm like, but that's me. I don't sell puppies. I mean, I could. It would help me with my income, but I just have trust issues. So that's why I go to the pet store. And if I see people going inside the pet store and what they're coming out with is like dog food or whatever, you know, and they look like they're decent, they look like they're good people, sometimes you just know, you'll feel a vibe from somebody. Like, I don't know if you're a good person to have my puppy or not. So I don't want my puppy to go to somebody and then they destroy him. That's just how I am. I want my puppy to have a good loving home, which sucks that they stay outside because I'm not training the ones that I'm not keeping. Even though I have tried a little bit, we do put them outside sometimes. Sometimes once in a while we'll let them in, but not all the time. Only the 2 that I'm trying to train and keep just to have for myself. And then the mama dog, we have to find her a home because I can't train her. She doesn't listen. It's too hard to train her. Whatever I do, she don't care. Even though she'll sniff around or whatever, I'll take her outside. Does she go potty outside? No, she doesn't. She'll come back inside. She'll try to sniff, and I'll try to take her back out. She won't go. Even though I'll try giving her treats, you know, to let her know if she gets a treat if she goes potty outside. But no, she won't do it at all. She will not do it at all. So, anyways, she'll just keep on, you know, whatever. And when she does come inside the house, she ends up pooping and peeing in my house. And I'm like, I've tried so many times, trying so hard. You know, I don't like to keep her out at nighttime. I don't even like keeping the puppies out at nighttime, but if I don't, they will poop and pee in my house. The 2 puppies, I have had them come in. Well, one, he had like an eye problem because I got rid of the foxtails outside, and he stayed inside. And he was chilling up on my bed, and he used the puppy pee pad. I was like, okay, good job. So actually, there's something in the puppy pee pads that they sent, and they just know to go to the bathroom on that. But if the mama dog is inside and all the puppies are inside, that's the other hard part. I can't keep her because I can't train her, and she's not helping me train my puppies, because if they see her pooping or peeing somewhere, they're going to do it too, and they won't use the puppy pee pad, and they'll just follow what she's doing. And it's like, oh my gosh. So that's why my other reasons why I gotta find a home for the mama dog and find homes for the other 3 puppies. Since I had 7, I finally found homes for 2 of them, my daughter and then this guy that worked at the pet store. He said him and his wife would take her, so it was nice. Anyways, I can keep talking. I'm sorry for all the long talks and stuff, but I'll try to make my videos a little bit better. I mean, I will let you know in the description of if this is a long video or not, but or what this video was about. It was supposed to be just a Mukbang Subway, but that didn't work out so well. And it's 1:30. I want to start cooking some dinner before I go to my interview. That's at 5, and just get that on the pot. And I'm thinking of making pozole, so I've made it before. I'll do a video of me making the pozole. I probably will do a mukbang of me eating it later on tonight too. So, I mean, that's full of carbs too. I know I should just do a protein shake, but yep. And that's about it. And I'm gonna just try my best to keep my videos a little bit shorter than they usually are. So I have a feeling this one's about an hour long, or almost an hour long. I see it's already at 41 minutes. I am so sorry for the long chats. I will see you guys in my next videos, and please, I appreciate it if you subscribe, like my channel, share it, comment, tell me in the comments what you think of my videos. It will not hurt my feelings if you are rude or whatever. It will help motivate me to know what I can do better. So please, I ask you to do that. At least subscribe, share, like, even dislike. It don't matter to me, because that it tells me that I'm doing something wrong in my videos. So just comment or whatever. Tell me what you like, and I'll try to do more videos of those. So I see you in my next videos. Bye. Thank you for watching. And I have a problem trying to turn it off.